Welcome to Ikigai Studios.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to another mind-expanding video on our channel. Today, we are delving into the extraordinary world of the law of attraction and the fascinating concept of the vibration of thoughts. Get ready to open your mind, embrace your inner manifester, and take control of the energy you radiate into the universe. Did you know that our thoughts possess a powerful energy that can attract and create the reality we desire? It's absolutely true. The law of attraction, which is a fundamental principle of the universe, states that like attracts like. This means that the energy we emit through our thoughts and feelings acts as a powerful magnet, pulling in experiences and people that are in alignment with that energy. It's truly astounding to realize that we have the ability to shape our reality by simply being conscious of the vibrations we emit through our thoughts. Every single thought that we have carries a certain frequency, and this frequency determines the kind of experiences we attract into our lives. If we consistently have positive and uplifting thoughts, we naturally emit high-frequency energy that resonates with abundance, joy, and love. As a result, we start attracting situations, opportunities, and people who are aligned with these positive vibrations. On the other hand, if we constantly have negative and limiting thoughts, we emit low-frequency energy that resonates with fear, lack, and negativity. Consequently, we find ourselves attracting more situations and people that reinforce these negative patterns in our lives. Isn't it amazing to think that we are constantly co-creating our reality through the power of our thoughts? Whether we are aware of it or not, our thoughts are like the steering wheel of a ship, guiding us toward the experiences we wish to manifest. This realization is empowering because it means that we have the capacity to change our reality by actively choosing our thoughts and consciously directing our focus. So, the next time you catch yourself dwelling on negative thoughts or limiting beliefs, remember the power that lies within you. Shift your attention to more positive and empowering thoughts, and watch as the energy you emit attracts experiences that align with your desires. By harnessing the power of your thoughts and aligning them with positive vibrations, you open the doors to a world of endless possibilities and create the reality you truly desire. Before we dive into the depths of Loa, let's quickly recap what this universal law is all about. The law of attraction, in its simplest form, states that what you focus on and believe in strongly will manifest in your life. Whether it's positive or negative, your thoughts and emotions send out a vibrational frequency, drawing in experiences that match that frequency. Imagine you're standing in front of a radio and tuning it to a specific frequency. When you're aligned with a particular station, you can effortlessly tune into the songs and content broadcasted on that frequency. Similarly, when you align your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs to a specific frequency, you attract corresponding experiences into your life. Just like a radio receiver picks up signals from different frequencies, our minds and hearts can also pick up vibrations from the universe. These vibrations carry the energy of different thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. When we resonate with a positive frequency, we attract positive experiences and opportunities into our lives. It's important to understand that our thoughts have power. They shape our reality and influence the outcome of our actions. When we align ourselves with a frequency of abundance, love, and gratitude, we radiate positive energy that attracts similar vibrations toward us. This alignment helps us manifest our desires and create a life filled with joy and fulfillment. To align with a specific frequency, it requires conscious effort and awareness. We need to become mindful of our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. It's like fine-tuning the dial of a radio, making subtle adjustments until we find the clear signal. We can do this by practicing positive affirmations, visualization, and gratitude. By focusing on what we want, rather than what we don't want, we allow our thoughts to vibrate at a higher frequency, attracting more positive experiences. Just as a radio signal can be disturbed by external interference, our alignment can also be disrupted by negative influences. It's important to protect our energy and surround ourselves with positivity. This can be done by avoiding negative people and situations, practicing self-care and self-love, and staying connected to our own purpose and inner truth. Remember, the frequency at which we vibrate determines the experiences we attract into our lives. By aligning our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs to a specific frequency of positivity and abundance, we open ourselves up to a world of endless possibilities and fulfillment. So, let's tune into the frequency of our dreams and manifest the life we truly desire. Now, let's focus on the vibration of thoughts. Every thought you have carries a specific frequency, and this vibration sends ripples throughout the universe, attracting circumstances and people in alignment with that frequency. Our thoughts are like energetic beacons, continuously broadcasting our desires and intentions to the universe. It is important to understand that our thoughts and emotions have a direct impact on our energy levels. Positive thoughts have higher vibrational frequencies, which allow us to attract positive experiences into our lives. When we consistently hold positive thoughts, we elevate our energy and become a magnet for positivity. On the other hand, negative thoughts vibrate at lower frequencies, which can lower our energy levels and attract unwanted situations. Therefore, it is crucial to be aware of our thoughts and consciously choose positivity to bring more abundance and happiness into our lives. By focusing on the good and finding the silver lining in every situation, we can shift our energy and raise our vibration, allowing us to experience more joy and fulfillment in our lives. Take control of your thoughts by monitoring your thinking patterns and reshaping your reality. Practice mindfulness to identify and replace negative beliefs. Use affirmations to shift your mindset and attract positivity. Visualize your desired reality with strong emotions and beliefs. Express gratitude to focus on abundance and attract more things to be grateful for. Implement these techniques into your daily routine and watch your thoughts shape your reality and desires manifest. Start by practicing gratitude. Cultivate a mindset of appreciation and focus on the abundance already present in your life. Engage in positive self-talk, affirming your worthiness and capability to manifest your desires. Journal your goals, dreams, and intentions, setting clear intentions for what you wish to attract. And don't forget the power of meditation and visualization to connect with the energy of your desires. In addition, it is important to surround yourself with positive influences and like-minded individuals who support your journey toward manifestation. Surrounding yourself with positivity can help reinforce your belief in the power of manifestation and attract more positivity into your life. Seek out supportive communities, join online groups, or attend workshops and seminars that focus on personal growth and manifestation techniques. Another effective practice is to create a vision board, which visually represents your desires and goals. This can serve as a powerful tool to keep you focused and motivated on what you want to manifest in your life. Cut out images, quotes, and symbols that resonate with your aspirations and arrange them on a board or a digital collage. Place your vision board in a visible location where you can see it daily, allowing it to serve as a constant reminder of your intentions. Furthermore, taking inspired action is crucial in the manifestation process. It's not just about setting intentions and visualizing, you need to take steps toward achieving your goals. Break down your desires into smaller, actionable steps and create a plan to move forward. By actively working towards your goals, you are aligning yourself with the energy of manifestation and creating momentum in the direction of your dreams. Lastly, trust in the process and believe in your ability to manifest your desires. Let go of any doubts or limiting beliefs that may hinder your progress. Have faith that the universe is conspiring in your favor and that you have the power to create the life you envision. In summary, manifesting your desires requires a combination of gratitude, a positive mindset, clear intentions, visualization, surrounding yourself with positivity, taking inspired action, and unwavering belief. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you can harness the power of manifestation and attract abundance, happiness, and success. The law of attraction holds infinite potential for transforming your life. Are you ready to tap into the vibration of your thoughts and manifest the reality you desire? Stay tuned for more empowering content, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And join our incredible community of like-minded individuals on this incredible journey.
If you enjoyed the content of this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching.